Hi all, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your ship fully mastered in one single patrol. So we're playing the 9th rule on normal. Surprising, I know, but the significant part is the end of this patrol where there's enemies spawning over and over again the more you destroy. So when we get there, we'll get there. So let's get to it.
I thought that leave enough of their ship.
So what this requires is you having a very decent build that allows you to destroy things very quickly.
Well, there's the front.
You treacherous! This deal gets worse by the minute.
Alright, so this is the stage where you will have to do a lot of damage.
Wrestling. A Birmingham.
Alright, here we go. Oh no, this is the worst enemy to have for this. Did not want Mokais. But anyways, as you can see, I destroyed in one quick stroke. Basically, you want things with very high AoE capability so that you can destroy the whole swarms right away as soon as they appear. And as you can see, I have a lot of items showing up too. So this is also quite profitable. Whoops. Non-stop destruction. And that's it. Let me just quickly pick up my items and then warp out of the system to show you the results. Stand by. And of course I will not be skipping this loading screen so that you know 100% that I'm not cheating this, but you can also look at the time, so... But anyways, let me just... Wow, so many items. Wouldn't it be nice if the auto-loot system was actually looting automatically for you when you approach these loot critters, but no. Stand by. Almost done. All right. All right, time for results. Ta-da, fully mastered. Alright, well that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Helps out the channel quite a lot, and it's free. So why not? Also, you can contribute to my Patreon if you want to, link in the description. You can also find a link to membership and my Discord server you can speak to fans and I directly. Alright, see you all next time. Bye!